I'm not scared. Fuck you and fuck everybody else. I'm gonna have a fucking fight.
If you keep doing that.
On February 23rd, 2025, officers responded to a disturbance involving a man throwing a tantrum. Moments later, he turned aggressive, squaring up to police and even throwing punches.
Stay the fuck away from me. I don't give a fuck.
You alright? What happened?
Yeah. This bitch, who's a mama's fucking boy, wants to beat my ass. Tell me, oh, you're a white piece of shit. Oh, I'm a white piece back here in the fucking woods. Tell that dude to come on.
Hey, get up. Hey, where you going?
Let's go, kill him, nigga.
Hey, what's his name again?
I didn't do nothing wrong. Ask her. I didn't do a goddamn.
Remind me your name, because I haven't seen you in a while, and I already kind of forgot.
I don't need nobody.
Jerry.
Yeah, my goddamn name.
Did you guys fight? Was there a fight between you two?
Me and her.
Was there somebody else that you were fighting with?
Yeah. Fuck you, bitch.
I'll be out with Jerry.
Yo, I need you to leave me the fuck goddamn alone.
Okay. Hey.
Fuck.
Hey, Jerry.
Fuck Hernandez. Miller. Fuck you too.
Hey.
Fuck all you.
Why are you being so aggressive with me?
Because
I didn't do nothing to you. Yeah, we're good.
What you gonna
hey,
do?
Jerry, it's okay. Remember. Hey. Come on. We're normally really cool. Why are you gonna be like this? Why are you gonna be like this? It's a nice day out. Enjoy it. Don't be frustrated.
Enjoy what?
It's a good day.
Ain't goddamn corner. I'm fucking scared.
I know.
Fuck these bitch ass
come
boys.
on, stop.
Get off me. Don't touch me.
We're gonna be in the middle of the road where Jerry is not being cooperative. Hey, stop. If you continue to do that, you're gonna be under arrest.
Oh, I'm under arrest. Arrest me.
Stop. If you continue to do that, you're gonna be under arrest.
Oh yeah, okay. Arrest me. But you're gonna put me in. No, Bobby Passhot.
All right, Jerry, stop. Continue doing that, and I'm gonna put you under arrest.
Bobby Passhot.
Jerry, listen to me. Jerry, listen to me.
Yeah, put me in cell.
Hey.
You already know me. Here we go.
Jerry.
How's it going today, Jerry?
You already know Bobby Passhot died. Anytime I had a fucking fight, you already know my fucking fists are dead. When I hit a motherfucker right across the goddamn jaw, let's go. You already know. I'm not scared. Fuck you and fuck everybody else. No Bobby Passhot. I'm gonna have a fucking fight.
If you keep doing that, Jerry. No, I'm done. This is enough. You are gonna be under arrest now.
You're under arrest, Jerry, now.
Jerry, hang tight. Come on.
Now I'm under arrest.
She told you not to do that, man.
I didn't do it. I'm just telling her.
I know, but you're getting way too close to her.
Dude, I don't mean it. Really? You really gonna arrest
Jerry, listen. This is gonna go quick and easy. You know you're gonna be walking out.
I don't know. But then I go down.
You're intoxicated. You're talking about and you're running up on officers.
I'm not gonna run up on her. Dude, I care about her. Really? Really? You really gonna arrest me?
You're out of control right now, brother. We can talk about what's going on, all right?
You guys are really gonna arrest me.
Yep, I told you multiple times to stop doing that.
And I told you I'd stop, but you guys don't understand.
You didn't stop.
Really, officer, how long have you known me?
I've known you long enough, but
Please, I would never do nothing to hurt you.
I know, but
this.
you can't be doing that.
I want to know why you're doing this to me.
Because you kept throwing punches pretty close to us. You can't be doing that.
Not at you.
I've been telling you to stop doing that. You weren't stopping.
I'm mad at the world. It had nothing to do with you, honey.
I know. It doesn't have to do with me.
But now you arrested me.
I had to. It's not like I had to.
What?
I had to. We told you multiple times to stop or you're going to be...
You could have let me go. Just let me say go home.
I did. I told you.
No, and I'm trying to go home. Now you're going to sit here and arrest me? That's bogus as hell.
You're only going to be here for literally like 30 minutes.
I don't want to be here. I don't want to go downtown. I'm going to go downtown and fucking fight. Your ass ain't going to let me go, so stop, dude. Stop all the bullshit. You seem to think I'm going to sit here for a half hour and I'm going to be like, oh, it ain't going to happen.
It is going to happen. I'm not going to lie to you.
Oh, that's right, because then you lost.
It's literally like 30 minutes. just have to
What am I getting charged with?
So a photo, fingerprints, and then give you your court date and your gun.
What is my charge?
It's an assault to a PO.
Okay, what is it? Misdemeanor?
It's a felony charge.
You're gonna give me a felony?
That's what it is.
You gotta let me go. Oh my god. Damn it, man, you gotta let me go. You gotta let me go! Are you letting me go or not?
I can't, Sheriff.
You don't have to fucking arrest me. Why am I the bad goddamn guy? Dude, let me out. Out. I'm beating this dude that tiny goddamn fucking corner. Let's go! You ain't letting me go. Are you letting me go?
After 30 minutes.
You're gonna let me go.
Yeah, you just have to get your photos, fingerprints, give you your court date, and you're out.
How do you know this?
Because that's what it is. You're not gonna stay with us.
Come on, man, I'm sweating. Yeah, I'll tell you what. Come on. Bet y'all fucking pride. Get y'all made a little motherfucker got that money. Yeah, fucking break. Hey, 911, they all gonna love me when they come in there. They all gonna love me. They already love me in here.
Look, it's your favorite.
I know. They all love me. Hey, Kanye! Come on. Fuck up.
Hey, can't be doing that, remember?
Fuck you. Let me out. They all love me, dude. Let's go!
He was arrested and charged with aggravated assault to a police officer. Did he really think fighting cops was a good idea? All individuals are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. This video is presented for educational and documentary purposes only.